we know that given a triangle, and you know the perpendicular height and the base, you can work out area using the formula half base multiplied by the perpendicular height, right? So that is the method we know. We can use that method. But I want us to look at a triangle where we actually don't know the height. Okay? We don't know the height. For instance, if you are given that this is A, B, C, I know that might look like 90 degrees, but it is not. And suppose this is 7 centimeters, and maybe that is 8 centimeters. I'll make maybe that one, say 100 degrees. That is possible. I think we can get a triangle like that. So that is triangle ABC. The length AB and the length AC are given, and the angle A there is given as 100 degrees. And you want to work out the area of that triangle. You can't really use that formula now, because this talks about a situation where there is a perpendicular height. So we need another formula for working out area of a triangle. And that is what I want us to get now. The formula, we will prove it, but the formula is given by, you would have seen something like this. Half multiplied by AB sine of theta. That is the formula. Obviously, AB and theta refer to a diagram like this. So if this is theta here, and this is A, and that is B, we are saying you can work out the area by just using the formula half multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by the sine of the angle theta. So you can get the area of this now if you are happy with that formula, right? Okay. So in this case, the area will be half times 7 times 8 times the sine of 100 degrees. Right, so let's start with a triangle, this one here. And we want to know the area of that triangle. Once again, we can construct the perpendicular height, right? Let's construct the perpendicular height. And we can assume, let's assume for now, that our base is the side BC. I want you to tell me, okay, don't forget guys, don't forget that if that is A, then this is small a, right? If this is angle B, then that side there has a length of B. And if this is C, then the length of AB should be equal to C. I'd like you to work out for me the sine of angle C. H over B, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the sine of angle C is H over B. So what is H equal to?
H equals to B sine angle C.
So this means H will be B multiplied by sine of angle C. Okay? So yes, we now know the height somehow in terms of B, we know the height. Okay. But to work out the area of the triangle using maybe your old method, you would say area is half multiplied by the base. What is the base this time? Our base will be A, right? Okay, because this is the base. And then this is multiplied by the height. But what is, yes, so this is multiplied by H, right? Okay, let me put it there. But we know H now. What is H equal to from the first statement? B sine of C. So do you see, you get your formula there, area is equal to half AB sine of angle C. Does this look different from the formula that I gave you there?
No.
Okay. Right, so now you need to look at your diagram and apply this formula there and make sure that it makes sense. It looks like in this case, we need to use this side because this is our side whose length is A, and that's our side whose length is B, and the angle that we are using is angle C, which is that angle there. Okay, so we should be given these two sides plus the included angle. And I think this picture looks exactly the same as that picture there. So we need to know two sides and the angle between or formed between the two sides. Then you can just work out the area straight away. Any questions? Okay.